I miss you, and now I wonder.
It is widely known that the interestingness of an animal is proportional to how difficult it is to figure out where its butthole is. The octopus is therefore very interesting, because its mouth is exactly where I thought its butt should be. I'll be honest with you, I still don't really know where it is. But my search history does contain the phrase, pictures of an octopus's butt.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You know, the indigenous species in Canada can be real aggressive, So it's important to take all necessary precautions when approaching. Get fucked!
Barack Hussein Obama.
Hail Satan!
Testing.
Try pronouncing the items written in the middle of the screen.
Tutorial. Hello.
Bad.
What? Hello.
Bad.
Hello.
Bad.
Hello.
Good. Now try the next one.
PlayStation.
Great. Now try the next one.
Right.
Good. You have now learned the basics of operating the microphone.
Hey, it's a Konami game. What did you guys expect?
Pretty nice view, eh?
I gotta take a shit.
God damn it, James.
Wish you had to stop. Oh my god!
His name is James Cameron, the bravest pioneer. No budget too steep, no sea too deep. Who's that? It's him, James Cameron. James Cameron, explorer of the sea. With a dying thirst to be the first. Could it be? Yeah, it's him, James Cameron.
Walking on the fighting side of me.
That don't look like it.
It don't. It don't go down.
Robert, it goes down.
No, it don't.
It do go down.
Oh!
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher. Hi, I'm Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher. The theme tune to an overrated anime. Someone shoot me, I'm already depressed. ADV was a company that financed the dub of a popular show that was then, this is now. It's become a cash cow, a shadow of what it used to be. How the hell did it do so well when the main character is totally gay? He whines like a girl and he fights like one too, crying I must not run away. I always thought that an anime hero was meant to have big hairy balls, but then this guy Shinji seems quite